Welcome to our complete guide on setting up your computer. Let's dive into the essentials for beginners. First, let's choose the right type of computer. Should you go for a desktop or a laptop? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Once you've chosen your computer, you'll need some essential accessories like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and speakers. Next up is understanding different operating systems. Whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, each has its unique features. Let's proceed with a step-by-step guide on setting up your computer for the first time. Connecting to the internet can be done either via a wired connection or wirelessly. Let's explore both options. Installing essential software is key. We'll guide you through the must-have applications to get started. An organized workspace can greatly enhance productivity. Let's look at how to create a comfortable and effective environment. Every computer user faces challenges. Here are some basic troubleshooting tips to help you navigate common issues. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide helps you on your computer setup journey. Check the description for resources.